Hey, this is Pete, My Spyder. Today in this video we're going to show you our paint protection film being installed on one of the locations of the bike that seems to take a lot of stone chips, and that's that lower air dam. So that black panel here at the bottom, this is the panel that we are going to be covering with the paint protection film. This is a pre-cut piece, so no trimming necessary. And we were just going to do a little tutorial and show you how to apply the material. So with our paint protection slip mix that we've discussed in other videos, you're going to wet down the surface of the machine, and then of course you want to wet your hands as you peel it off the page, and peel it off the page. And of course when you're doing that you want to wet it, so you want to make sure that the film is wet. And then we're going to set the material into place as desired. So you can see you can kind of move it around to place it exactly where you want it. We had already installed the opposite side, so we want to just butt it up in a position to your liking, typically along the leading edge to protect from stone chips, and parallel with the other piece. So once we get that into place, you're going to kind of hold it as desired and then tack it, squeegeing. Start out with light pressure and then a little firmer as you go. Then just check positioning on the other side and continue to squeegee. Now if you don't like your positioning, you do have the ability with paint protection to pick it up. So you can pick it up. We're going to slide it down into, I think I want to move it down just a hair. So that makes the film very user friendly. Want it nice and just right on the edge of that. Let's try there. Again, this is our Xpel Paint Protection, and it's Xpel. You can research them online. Wonderful product. We love their paint protection film. Alright, so basically again, you start out with that lighter pressure when you're first applying, and then once you get the majority of the water out, then you can go to a little bit heavier, and it's just overlapping strokes. And for something like this, you want to let it sit for a couple hours to tack up. No pressure washing for about 2 weeks. But now your whole lower air dam, other than this half-inch section right there, is going to be protected from stone chips. We also have pre-cut panels for the front and the sides, and of course out here as well. So just a real quick video on paint protection, how it can preserve the looks of your machine. And if you have any questions, you can contact us at wrapmyspyder.com. And we appreciate you taking an opportunity to watch this video with us.